This car was completely taken over by rats, and the owner couldn't even drive it anymore. What we found inside this car, I haven't seen in a long time. You can see right here, this isn't just a little bit of activity. This is full-blown infestations. Droppings everywhere, nesting, and it's deep in the vehicle. But once we started opening things up, that's when it got a lot worse. So, since we're gonna have to remove the seats and everything, Christian is up here disinfecting the surfaces, though, even though we wear gloves and everything. Just more sanitary and disinfecting before we start working on it. Our customer brought this in because of a strong odor. They had no idea how bad it actually was. This is exactly the kind of situation where rodent abatement becomes very necessary. First thing we had to do is to remove all the contaminated areas. At this point, we're not just cleaning, we're trying to stop the source. You can see how deep this goes. This isn't surface level. This right here is what we're worried about. This is where they actually been living. A lot of people don't realize once rodent gets into a vehicle like this, it's not just about smell. It becomes a health issue. This is why most shops won't even touch something like this. After removing everything contaminated and treating the interior, now we're finally getting the car back to a safe condition. This is the difference from where we started to now. Completely different vehicle. This is what we call rodent abatement, and this is just one case. If you think this was bad, wait until you see the next one.
XLNC. Auto Beauty.